This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
The peculiar character of phonetics relates to consonant-like sounds in the songs of Pacific chorus frogs. This morning, Belinda Bondici saw a passerine sitting next to a Dryoctopus. Both of them were singing loud and clear, just like Joby. Even Hammond's flycatcher couldn't keep up with them. Bell's vireo put them all to shame. No one in Mokilteo had ever heard such a thing. It really complemented the sounds emanating from Tengmal's owl in the rafters. Batik eggs come from Romania, but in spite of all the experimentation in electronic locomotive design that the Pennsylvania Railroad has been doing for the last 17 years, they really hadn't considered the ramifications of 4620 continuous horsepower, but not over 8,000 short term. With a driver diameter of 57 inches, the GG1 won hands down in the Claymont trials. Once the track was laid, Bewick's wren began to imitate the other regional birds. I heard one that reminded me of the American redstart, but with a quick, richer quality and lower pitch. Two-note phrases are more common to the titmouse and Arizona cardinals. The last president to arrive at the games by train was none other than the great JFK, John F. Kennedy. He rode PRR business car number 120 in both 1961 and 62 on his way back and forth between municipal stadium. Sadly, just a short time later, the stadium was renamed in memoriam, a posthumous honor I'm sure he never dreamt of while sleeping on the Pullman. It's often said that bronchitis is an inflammation of the mucous membranes of the bronchial tubes. Many other mammals suffer from it besides Homo sapiens. Violent purgatives will do more harm than good. When accompanied by catarrh, it can be especially dangerous. You never know when your gelding might get the blind staggers. Make sure their collar is loose or convulsive movements and even death could follow. Tapping the jugular vein or rubbing the legs with mustard water have been known to help. Be careful it isn't complicated by spavins or bots. Keep some creolin and sweet oil handy in case of aspergillus. In the early 20th century, the Penzies New York City terminal operations installed third rail low voltage DC electrification. In October 1928, PRR President William Wallace Atterbury announced a mainline electrification project extraordinary in its dimensions. Catenary would be extended up north all the way to NYC, eliminating the need for the third rail DC operation under the Hudson River.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.